Xbox Broco says, but can it play Minecraft? Yes, theoretically if you're willing to code it. Mozilla asks, does it have the Apple Wave function? Unfortunately, that's only available on iOS 8. Raymond M asks, but can it run Doom? Theoretically, yeah, if you can code it. Zenovi asks, but can it play Bad Apple?
6.5 hours later.